mà giàu mạo thì pongi to naki go ni tại vì với vào lo to ngáo cái gì mai upload thì bên này về có sometime next week ka thì mà phải mà đi lấy cái về khi gì wa nó ghi mo o hay putu ta tai ki and I'm still in it. But yeah, I will give you guys a little demo on this song. Hopefully upload it tonight. Hopefully. But yeah, check it out. The Australia foi ves ulo aqui pe mo tau. But yeah, like I said, I'm still working on it. But yeah. What's up? What's up? What's up, everyone? Malo, minha mãe. Olha. Reggae. What's up, Junior? that's the song, and let me know what you guys think about that song. Rangi lau ngahi be love song ge au ge lai lai. But yeah, that's the song, and still working on it. Trying to put another two or one more verse or two more verse before I upload the song for you guys to enjoy. So yeah, that's it, and hopefully you guys have a great, beautiful day today. And Ovat DJ Nat. See ya.